Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that everybody is doing good, and today I'm back to do a review and a first impressions on the new Rihanna Fenty Beauty Eyebrow Pencil. And if you guys do know me, I love trying new eyebrow pencils. Like anything eyebrow, I like trying them out. And I know that I'm not like the perfect eyebrow queen. Like, as you can tell, my eyebrows are like so sparse. This one's like balder than this one. This one always comes out better than this one, and I'm not the best at doing eyebrows, so we're just gonna do a disclaimer right now. I don't need no hate on like, oh girl, your eyebrows don't look good, you know what I mean. I know, and I've been doing like makeup for so long, and it just like I just can't get my eyebrows down to perfect. There's some days that they do come out good, but it's just like sometimes, you know. But you know what, it's just makeup. Practice makes perfect, and I just wanted to show you guys to see if this brow pencil is worth your money. So if you guys want to see this tutorial, then keep on watching. So I zoomed you guys up a little bit closer as always. You guys can see my pretty face, and today we're just going to be concentrating on my eyebrows. I'm not going to do any other makeup. I'm not going to do my eyes or my skin. I already just have my skin moisturized. That's why it kind of looks like shiny, and I've got some current breakouts from a foundation, but that's like a whole different story. But yeah, we're just going to be doing my eyebrows. I just want to try it out to see if I like it, because I just, like I said, I love trying out new eyebrow stuff. So first is first. This is her packaging. It's just like so sleek. It kind of reminds me like of the Hourglass. If you guys ever tried, you know what? No. Yes, Hourglass, but I'm sorry, not the eyebrow pencil, the foundation, how it's kind of like, you know what I mean? Like that shape. But yeah, this is her packaging. It's so sleek. And when I first got it, I thought that it had a spoolie at the end, and it doesn't. It has like a little comb. Look at that, how cute that is. I've never tried a comb like that for my eyebrows. So we're going to see. It's just like a felt tip kind of pencil. And then I just want to swatch in the back. So the color that I got is a medium brown shade. I got this color because, of course, my hair is a little lighter, so I do want it to match, you know, a little bit with my hair. And this, I'm just going to read what it says on her packaging. It's ultra fine tip for hair-like precision, styling brush for effortless blending. So we're going to try that out. When I do my eyebrows, I'm like really like this close to my mirror. So we're going to try it, girl. We're going to try it. So I'm just going to get the little comb part and then just comb my eyebrows. Yeah, it's like a little brush, but for your eyebrows. That's pretty neat. And for those of you guys who don't know, I don't wax my eyebrows. I used to a long time ago, and I used to get them threaded. But I just felt like when they did it, unless I haven't found the right person, but they made my eyebrows so thin all the time, and I just didn't. And like, if you guys can see already, my eyebrows are already skinny as they are. Imagine when they did it, it's like a little line. So I just don't even go anymore, and all I do is I'll just pluck like the little excess hairs that I have right here on the bottom, but that's it. I don't do anything else. Okay, so the tip is kind of like flat on top, so it's not like pointy or anything. So what I like to do is I like to start like from right here and then just kind of go down. It's not as pigmented on the first stroke, so I don't know, I kind of don't like it when it doesn't start up as pigmented, because I feel like I'm going to use a lot of product to fill them in. Because lately I've just been filling my eyebrows with a pencil. Okay, so I just line them like that, and then I like to start filling them in right here. And it doesn't feel it doesn't really feel like a waxy texture. You know how like the Anastasia one has like a waxy and the Wet n Wild has a waxy texture. It doesn't feel like that at all, and I kind of do like that. But it's like, you see that? I feel like it's, I don't know, I guess I'm thinking of a pomade, but it doesn't feel, I feel like it doesn't give me a lot of pigmentation. And then what I like to do is I just like to get the front right here of my eyebrow, and I just kind of like little hairs and go up a little bit. So now we're going to use the little brush side to comb them up. So I'm going to go over it again to get a little bit more darker effect. Yeah, I don't know, it's not really, I feel like it's not giving me, I mean on camera it looks like it does, but in person they're like really not that pigmented. I don't know if it's because of the color shade, but I feel like it's not giving me that much color. Okay, so that's that brow. See, it's, I mean, I guess I'm just used to my other eyebrow pencils that have a lot of pigment, but we're gonna clean it up and we're gonna see how the end, how it looks like, because you know when you clean it up the eyebrow just looks better. Going with my Nars concealer. I got this a while ago. Me and Connie here on YouTube did a makeup swap and she bought me this. It's just kind of thick under my eyes, so I've been using it for my eyebrows to clean it up, because if I feel like it does it like it's smooth, you know what I mean. And then I'm just gonna go with my Sigma flat brush. I like this kind of tip here because I feel like it gets my eyebrows good to clean it up. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and then just clean my eyebrows up a little bit. After I clean it up like this, I like to go back with the spoolie and then just kind of do the front a little bit. Just comb it up and then just kind of go through the brow. And then if it's like missing, like if I see any bald spots, I like to go back with the pencil and just fill it in. Always use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I just love this brow gel because I feel like it keeps my eyebrows in place. Or if you don't have this one, Jar Cosmetic has it in her eyebrow palette, and it has like a wax, and that also leaves like the product on your eyes. And then I just like to comb up the front. I like to comb them upward direction and then just comb through the brow. So I went ahead and finished the other eyebrow off of camera, and I just feel like it's not as pigmented. I thought it was going to be more pigmented than that. I don't know if it's the shade that I picked, but I mean on camera, like I said, it looks okay, but in person I really did have to put a lot of color in it, so it just makes me feel like I'm going to use the eyebrow pencil like super quick. I did like the little brush at the end. It did comb out the eyebrows super nice, and I feel like it dispersed the product everywhere. But it's not something that I would repurchase or maybe recommend you guys buying. I feel like the Wet n Wild pencil for like $2 is like a little better. I mean, everybody can't like everything, right? So I just feel like it wasn't for me. It's too much work, and I would just have to go in with the pomade on top of it. But those are just my feelings. Let me know if you guys already bought it and tried it. Maybe it's the color, I'm not sure, but I just wouldn't repurchase it. I'm going to keep it, I'm not going to take it back. I'll just use like a pomade to fill in the brows. Let me know if you guys tried it and if you guys liked it. But thank you guys so much for always watching and always supporting my channel. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.